If you use Zoom meetings, webinars, or a combination of both, Splash makes your events more beautiful, exciting, and data-driven than the status quo. You can do this by embedding any Zoom event into Splash's virtual event page touchpoint. All you have to do is enter your Zoom event ID into Splash. This option allows you to create an immersive and interactive virtual experience, branding your Zoom event with your fonts, colors, background, and logo. Leading up to the event, your event page will transform based on when a guest visits it, providing the optimal experience. Guests can even join the stream if they don't have Zoom downloaded to their viewing device. And because the virtual event is gated to only registered guests, Splash checks them in automatically, so you get a full report of everyone who attended and how long they stayed on. This is a great way to assess which parts of your event were most engaging. Powerful data to have, especially if you plan to send follow-up emails. And there you have it, an easy way to take your Zoom events to the next level using Splash. For more information, head to the website on your screen.